today we'll be at Century Hotel and Casino located on Bennett Ave. So this is my second time staying here. First day I got the King Suite. So this one I wanted to get the King Suite with the fireplace. Mainly I wanted to do a comparison to see what the difference was between the King Suite with the fireplace at Century Casino versus the one at Wildwood Hotel Casino. The first thing I noticed when I walked in the door, and I guess I underestimated it, was the size of this room. When you walk in here, this room is really spacious. It has a hallway that leads into where the bedroom area is, and then from there it kind of wraps back around into the kitchenette area where the table is, and then it goes back into where the bathroom is. This is a different floor plan. I've never seen a floor plan like this in Cripple Creek. So this is definitely something that is unique, probably only to Century Casino. First thing you notice when you walk into the main living area is you have your king size bed, which are 2 nightstands, which are USB outlets on your alarm clock, and your big screen TV. Then you come into the living area where you have your love seat, your sofa, 1 end table, and 1 main table. You have your kitchenette table. Then you come into the kitchen area where you have your microwave, your mini fridge, your sink, coffee maker, ice bucket, more art on the walls, another full-length mirror. So this is something different. Coming into the bathroom area, you have your his and her sinks that's separate from tub and the toilet and closet. So, and this is the closet. Have your ironing board, your iron, your luggage rack. In the bathtub, they have the body washes, shampoo, conditioner, plenty of towels, more body wash, more towels. Under here is probably just more storage. And then because of where this room is located, you have a pretty good view of Bennett Ave. Right now, there's a lot of construction going on over at Bronco Billy Hotel Casino. They're in the process of doing an expansion for their hotel or their resort portion that's going to be attached to their casino that's slated to be finished in the summer of 2023. So that's pretty much it for the room tour. Again, this is Century Hotel Casino. This is the King Suite with the fireplace. And if I had to compare it against the one at Wildwood, I think each one has its pros. It's hard for me to decide. I could say, obviously, Wildwood is a lot newer. I could tell you the pros of staying at Century over Wildwood. Main one would just be location. It's gonna be hard pressed when Bronco Billy finish their expansion. Pretty soon you're gonna have the Triple Crown Casino that consists of Midnight Rose, Brass Ass, and McGill's, that they're gonna start their expansion. That's gonna have the Midnight Rose Resort or Hotel that's gonna be attached to Midnight Rose Casino. So next day, I'm probably gonna show you some of the less favorable rooms to stay in Cripple Creek. But there's still pros to that too. I've stayed in some of those, and I'm gonna take you on a tour and let you see some of those and what those rooms have to offer. So that's it. Talk to you later.